Learn how to use oils to naturally grow back a bald spot. Click below to get your free infographic. Hey lovely people, so let's talk about how I used lavender essential oil to grow back 2 huge and massive bald spots. Okay, so I've made several other videos on the topic before, and I used 3 main ingredients to grow back 2 huge bald spots that I got due to alopecia areata, which for me was caused by stress and depression. Okay, so my hair started to fall out because I was so stressed and depressed. At the same time, I was living abroad alone in a foreign country, and my body just wasn't taking it well. I lived in Cairo, and the noise pollution really got to me. Okay, I could never really sleep well because there's just so much noise 24/7. Okay, so the 3 main things that I used were emu oil. So emu oil was big. Emu oil is actually the most important ingredient, and I have a video on that as well, and I'll place all those videos in the description below so you can check them out, and just in case you have any specific questions about the quantities and how much I used and how I used it. And then there was, of course, lavender oil. I have this lavender oil here. It's lavender essential oil. I think at the time I was using a different brand, but it's pretty much all the same. This is Areata. I think I got this from Whole Foods. Oh, no. Wegmans. I got this from Wegmans, and it's organic, and it smells great. So what I would do is I would take like a bowl, like a small bowl. You could even maybe, like even something like this, right? This is like a small, I guess, dipping bowl for food. I would take this, and then I would put about 2 tablespoons of emu oil and just pour it in there. I'll just pour it in here. Then I would take about 3 to 6 drops, depending on how generous I felt that day, and how much I could handle like the really strong peppermint smell. And I'll put peppermint in here, and then I would put lavender oil as well in the mixture. I would use, it's great to use kind of like one of these wooden mixers. I'll take a wooden mixer, mix it up just like that, and then I would put it on my scalp. I would put it on the bald spot that, or the bald spots that were on my scalp. I did this for months. I started to see results a good 3 to 4 weeks after I started to use the combination on my bald spots, and I started to see substantial growth, almost the complete bald spot growing back around the 4-month, 5-month mark. By the 6th month, it kind of looked like nothing had ever happened. So yeah, that's my little spiel on how I used lavender oil to grow back my bald spots. However, just to grow my hair in general. However, I would suggest you not use lavender essential oil alone. You need a carrier oil, and I used emu oil as a carrier oil. However, some people use jojoba oil, some people use castor oil, some people use coconut oil as the carrier oil. I chose emu oil because I've had great experiences with it. Ever since I was in high school, I would use like this emu oil shampoo, and it worked great for me. So yeah, that's it. That's all I did. It worked for me. Please let me know if it works for you as well. I think I got this little bowl from Target, but if I can find one, I'll put a link below in the descriptions. And all the other products that I have mentioned in this video about how I grew my bald spots back and how I grew my hair back, I'll make sure to put that in the description below as well. So I will include the playlist, so check out my grow my bald spot back playlist. Check that out below in the description. Check the products out below in the description, and please leave a comment to let me know if you have any questions or if this works out for you if you actually try it. Okay, As I said before, I have plenty of other videos on the topic, so if you have any questions about each specific ingredient, I have a video on emu oil, I have a video on peppermint oil, and now this is the video on lavender oil, okay? All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And again, please do not hesitate to reach out to me and ask me any questions if you have them, okay? All right, peace guys, see you later, bye.